Hey guys, welcome back to another video, TR Racing. We're in the shed today. As you can see, we've got the cars behind us there. So yeah, what a year it's been. We've been to 3 drift events this year. First started off at Evergreen Drift Park back in May, and that was our first drift experience, and man, it was so much fun. We broke stuff, we wrecked stuff, we fixed it on the side of the track, and we carried on. Bit of Kiwi ingenuity, that's what it's all about. Met heaps of cool people, and yeah, so we went to Mad Mike Drift Force in September. That was the first time being at Hampton Downs, and that was a lot faster and that, but that's what we wanted, to learn a bit more speed and that, and we got the hang of it by the end of the day, so we're like, why not? But 4 weeks later, went back to another Mad Mike Drift Force in August, and yeah, we were doing quite well and had a few good comments from people, so yeah, it's just all seat time obviously, and yeah, we really enjoyed it. But right now we're currently, well, we're working on both the cars actually. Trent's over in the back here.
Hey!
Yeah, on the ground.
Always on the ground, in the background, going hard, getting things done.
Yeah.
Ruben might have mentioned already, we've just put a new intercooler on the race car. So I'm just mocking up some pipe work, getting some fittings sorted, doing a bit of cutting, and once I've mocked it all up and it's in a good space, I'll probably take it home and give everything a bit of a paint and make it look semi-okay, because we're going to put a nice a new bumper on the front here as well, just to tidy the car up a little bit more. Probably won't worry about the back one yet, but we'll get the front one done. So shout out Jamie Della, specialist painter, looking after us. Yeah, that's it from me for the moment.
Yeah, so the RB20, so done a lot of progress on here. Got all the radiator and everything back in. Oh, a bit gutted about that, but can't see it when the bonnet's down. Yeah, I've just got a new clutch master. What's what?
Talking about the little dent out the manifold.
Oh, you check this out. Trent decided to put a dent, no, what is it, a scratch on my nicely painted manifold and tried to hide it.
Sorry, boss.
Fuck.
Oh, yeah. Not my finest moment. But yeah, fuck. Don't give me sharp tools near your new paintwork.
Yeah, learnt my lesson. But yeah, so I'm kind of mocking up all the wiring loom here. Just, yeah, got a brand new clutch master because we had to steal the track, the one out of here to put in the track car to do the last drift force. So yeah, I'm pretty much just putting everything back together, and I need to get some gearbox oil actually, and put some oil back in the gearbox, but the engine has oil, so that's one job done. But yeah, we'll just put things together and bring you along for the ride.
Just get some of these good ones. Really using the fucking
Change our oil cooler lines where they run, just to make sure they're not going to hit, as you can see down there. But the main reason is also with the GDR intercooler, you really need the GDR bumper support to go with it, because it was sitting real low and it was just terrible to mount up. So yeah, one of the reasons we're going with that. So this car here is fully bolted back up properly. Yeah, I'm getting there quite good now. So yeah, the almighty 20, she's looking good, and it's going to be going for a brand new exhaust, and we need new intercooler piping. So we will be sending that off to one of my mates who's a very good fabrication artist. So I want it looking all nice since I've done everything else, so I might as well make all the rest look good, right? And then we'll be going to visit Mike again for our tune and see what this G30 725 Series 2 Garrett can really do. So yeah, we'll be chucking this back on the ground soon, and once that's out of the way, we'll be lifting this car up and doing all the clutch, And our next event, which is quite a bit away, is going to be Mad Mike Summer Bash we're aiming for. So yeah, we're going to get it all ready, tweak all the things that we've been needing to in the between now and then, and so yeah, make sure you stay tuned, and we've got heaps more content coming up, and yeah, love it up. Cheers guys.
Also, special thanks to all those subscribers out there. It's been awesome having you guys follow along with us. We're getting way more comments on our videos now, so keep that up. That really hypes up the channel. We've got 3 months to find a new clutch, so we are looking for a twin plate for this now, because done a little bit of AI searching, and yeah, just the power it's making at the moment and the torque it's got, it's just recommending plenty of places as well as the local shops here saying need to go twin plate. So sing out if you've got a twin plate for sale, or you want to hook up TR Racing with a bit of a deal. You know, we're always into a few deals or two. We've got plenty of parts laying around as well, swaps deals if you're local or in New Zealand. Hit us up. If not, you know, appreciate all the follow, the likes, the subscribes, the comments. It's been awesome, eh? The channel's growing great, and you know, we can go to the pits now and we can talk with a lot of the people in the drift events, the 3-day carnival events and all of that stuff, because the channel is growing. So keep following us. It's been fucking awesome ride, and we'll keep it going, keep this content fresh. Like we said, 3 months away and we'll be full send on this track car again. So yep, stand by, keep updating, keep following us, keep those comments coming, keep those subscribes coming. Thanks very much.